Today I'm going to be making my cabbage kimchi. I tend to use a more simple and easier method during every day. So let's get started. Cut into quarter, remove the head, start to pull the cabbage apart and soak it in this water, vinegar water, for about 20 minutes. Instead of using glue, I'm going to be using just maybe a half a cup of cold rice. This adds texture and makes it easier for the seasoning to stick to the cabbage. So to the cabbage, I'm going to be adding green onions only. Because the green onions have very thick head, I place cuts in it just to the head part, because you want to not really crunch on a huge green onion head. You know, the seasoning sticks well to the cabbage because of that rice or the starch that we put in. And there's really no juice right now. Because we didn't really salt the cabbage, if you set it at room temperature for about 2 hours, the natural juice of the cabbage will come out.